Reinterpreting the Dark Gods of the Order of Nine Angles from Greco-Roman mythology. The first thing I might question is, when it comes to the dark pathways, why is the order one of ascent rather than descent? Perhaps the point is the flow issue of left-hand path versus right-hand path. If we look at the order of the planets from the perspective of the myth of Saturn eating his children, we should switch path 3 and 4, giving the order of Noctulius, Nithra, Shaitan, Shugara, Aosath, Azanagan, Nakala, Gawatham, Benan Ath, Lidagon, Abatu, Karusamsu, Nemeku, Maktoron, Velpecula, Kithana, Atazoth, Vindex, Devchina, Saractanus, and Naas. As far as the alchemical processes, we have Shugara, Shaitan or Satanus, Azanagan, Gawatham, Benan Ath, Lidagon, Karasamsu, as salt, Noctulius, Aosath, Nakala, Velpecula, Kthana, Vindex, and Devchina as Mercury, Mithra, Abatu, Nemeku, Maktoron, Atazoth, Saractanus, and Naas as sulfur. Salt is seen as the shadow, of psychology. Mercury is as the construction of consciousness, the ego. Sulfur is as the true or core self, the id. In typical astrological terms, we might say these are salt as mutable, Mercury as cardinal, and sulfur as fixed. As far as the planetary attributes, we have Noctulius, Nithra, and Shugara for moon, Nakala, Gawatham, and Abatu for Mercury, Aosath, Karasamsu, and Nemeku for Venus, Shaitan, Satanus, whichever one of those two you prefer, Atazoth, and Vindex for Sun, Benan Ath, Kthana, and Saractanus for Mars, Lidagon, Maktoron, and Devchina for Jupiter, and Azanagan, Velpecula, and Naas for Saturn. If we have Nithra, Nakala, Karasamsu, Nemeku, Maktoron, and Velpecula as the paths to Venus, why is only path 12 the choice for Venus here? So some tweaking can be used to make all of such connect to the said planet. Aosath as moon to Jupiter is more on the Jupiter side. Maktoron as Venus to Jupiter is probably more on the Venus side. There are other possibilities to this completion, like Nakala as Mercury to Venus, but working out other rearrangements and others can be left to another. In the Black Book of Satan 2, Kalathi we find the order beyond the planetary, Naas, Aosath, Lidagon, Maktoron, Atazoth, Azanagan, Abatu, Velpecula, Vindex, Saractanus, Noctulius, Nithra, Satanus, Shugara, Nakala, Gawatham, Benan Ath, Karusamsu, Nemeku, Kthana, and Alastaros, between the planetary and elemental. In Order of Nine Angles manuscripts, selection from 1992 to 2013 by Vampire Temple of Atazoth of the Sinister Pathway Triangle Order, We have some understandings from Greek mythology, with the list being Persephone, Hecate, Artemis, Helios, Dionysus, Cronus, Hermes, Athena, Demogorgon, Zeus, Iris, Aphrodite, Eros, Demeter, Hades, Ares, Hestia, Apollo, Poseidon, Hephaestus, and Rhea on page 173. I know from the Greek perspective, some of that would have been mispronounced, but would this make Alastoros, the Moirae, Fates, being Clotho, Lachesis, and Atropos? Would it be Gaia, or would it be Pan? I know we can say Apollo is every category. So to point out that Soractanus is Apollo, frees Vindex to be Hercules. Some would say that would be Mithras, but since it is the position of Jesus, Christianity's a form of Mithraism, in Christian mythology, we are doing something different and more motivating to produce heroism. From the planets to the stars would be Nyx, Erebus, and Aether. More causal than that would be Chaos. Noctulius is salt of Saturn. Nithra is Mercury of Moon. Shaitan is Mercury of Sun. Shugara is sulfur of Venus. Atwasoth is salt of Venus. Azanagan is salt of Jupiter. Nikala is Mercury of Venus, but Mercury of Mercury in the listed attribute. Gawath Am is Mercury of Jupiter. Kanan Oth is salt of Mars. Litigon is sulfur of Jupiter. Abatu is Mercury of Mercury. Karasamsu is Mercury of Mars. Nemaku is Mercury of Jupiter. Maktoron is salt of Moon. Opecula is Mercury of Saturn. Thana is sulfur of Mars. Ephizoth is salt of Sun. Vindex is salt of Jupiter. But sulfur in Jupiter in the former attributes. Devchina is salt of Moon. Soractanus is sulfur of Sun, but sulfur of Mercury under the listed attribute. Naas is salt of Mars. And as you can see, there'll be more programs related to this book.